gorgeous girl, welcome back to my channel, and today we are going to be doing some great core work using my friend the foam roller. This is such an amazing tool. I will leave one link down below. They're super inexpensive, like around 20 bucks. You can get them on Amazon. I do recommend that you get a black one like this. They're more dense and they keep their shape for a really, really long time. So if you buy one, like, you're never going to need to buy another one unless you actually own a gym. And even something like this will last you probably like at least 5 years if you had like hundreds of hours of use. So for home usage, this one and done. But you don't need anything else for this workout, just a mat or a towel. You don't need sneakers. I have sneakers on because I'm wearing them, but you're definitely gonna fire up your abs, really work your core in a deep way, and it's just another great way to add a little extra bit of challenge. So let's get into it and I'll see you on the other side. All right, I want you to just inhale here, and then exhale, contracting the abdominals, reaching the hands so the arms are just parallel, and you're just gonna really feel the abdominals pulling in here. Lower it back down, inhale. And exhale, sliding the shoulders down your back and reaching. Good. We're going to just do 2 more like that. Inhale. Notice if you hear my voice shaking, it's because it's hard. And exhale and draw in the belly here. Get that scoop going. Perfect. And one more time here. Inhale, deep, full breath in. And exhale and draw in the abdominals. Now place those hands behind your head and just see if you can pulse it up here. And 2, perfect. And 3, and 4, that's it. And 5, and 7, and 8, good. 2 more, 9, and excellent. Okay, good. So keeping your hands down onto the floor here, I want you to just inhale. And then exhale and draw in the abdominals. Just lift one leg into tabletop and then bring it down. We're going to go to the other side and exhale. So here is where your placement on the foam roller is super important here, because if you're kind of crooked, you're going to feel like I'm falling off on one side. All right, we're just going to keep this marching going here and then lower it down. And here, what I'm also thinking of is that rib cage connection, bringing those ribs together, okay? So these moves, you know, I would consider them very like foundational for Pilates work, right? But it doesn't mean that that's easy, okay? It's not. And exhale and draw it in. Good. Let's do one more on each side. Inhale and exhale and pull in the abdominals. Very good. And last one here. Down and exhale and pull in. Good. All right. So now, if you can, you're going to exhale, draw in the abdominals, lift one leg up, then bring the other leg to meet it. Now, we're going to lower down. So you don't have to go all the way to the ground. In fact, I'm not going to. And then exhale, pull it in, okay? And again, lower it down. And exhale. Your range of motion might be super small. Maybe this is all you can do today, and that's okay. Do you hear my voice shaking? It's like, And again, inhale down. It's because we are working. And exhale, and drawing it in. Good. Let's do 2 more like this. Inhale and exhale and scoop in the belly. Good. Last time here. Inhale, lower. And then exhale. You're definitely using your arms here. And good. 1 foot down, other foot down. Okay, good. Now you're going to love me. So you might have hated me, but now you're going to love me. Just open those elbows out. Okay. Let's do a little bit of a massage here. So let yourself just kind of roll to one side. I have like a mic pack here that's in my way, but you might be able to roll a little bit more on one side. And then just use your feet here and go to the other side. Very good. So you're just feeling that little massage in between the shoulder blades. I was doing this yesterday. This is also good. You're going to feel that, how it gets into your glutes here as well. Okay, just nice and easy here. Okay, good. So we're going to take our hands here, contract in your abdominals, and slowly bring yourself up. Okay, good. So let's move on. We are going to turn the roller, our little friend here, the long way again. And I want you to sit up on the roller, all right? Now our hands are going to go down. So we're going to kind of, what you want to do is position your body so that the roller is right at about your tailbone level here, okay? So then you're going to keep your hands just gently holding onto the roller. This is important because if you don't, the roller will kind of fling out underneath you, so safety first. Just lift up one leg into tabletop, lower it down, Lift the other leg into tabletop. We're still working those abs, okay? So we're not, letting them just rest. Do it again, lift up into tabletop, hold there, and then lift the other leg into tabletop. All right, now rotate externally to turn out here. So we're keeping a gentle hold on this roller. If you ever need to adjust yourself, you just kind of do what I did. Felt like mine was a little bit lower than I wanted it, so I just kind of scooched it up a little. Inhale here, and exhale, and extend the legs out to 45 degrees. And again, inhale, and extend out. Really feel how this deep core work is happening. Inhale, and exhale, and reach, reach, reach out. Good, let's do 2 more like that. Inhale, and exhale, and reach it out. Beautiful, 2 more. Inhale, exhale, contracting in the abdominals. Good, last one. Inhale, and exhale. Okay, good. Now you're gonna draw like a little smiley face. So you're gonna go dip down, little out, dip down, bring it together. If you're super flexible, in this moment, I actually don't care. I don't want you to do a big movement. All right, so we're just keeping it at about shoulder width, okay? So it's a small shape here. And open, this isn't like your biggest, gymnastic stretch here. And again, down and open. You guys feel those inner thighs getting fired up? We're firing it all up here. And do it again, down and out and down and in. My voice is shaking. 1 more, down and out, feeling the love, and down and good. All right, excellent. Wasn't that so great? I'm telling you, I just love using small, little, inexpensive props to give you just a little bit of extra challenge and extra bit of variety in your workouts. Research really shows that when we're doing the same kinds of workouts, especially for those of us over 40, it's one of the biggest mistakes that most people make. And the sad part is they don't even realize that they're doing it. So you really want to add variety to your workouts so that you see better results. Now, if you're a woman over 40, I've got a really special invitation. I want you right now to either click on the link here in the eye or down below in the description box and join me for my masterclass. It's totally free, called Fit and Fabulous Over 40. And I also give you my exact framework, a step-by-step guide on how to be your most fit, your most energetic, and your most ageless from 40 and beyond. There's really science behind it of how you can really reduce your cellular age. So if that's something that you're interested in, and I bet it should be, then I'd love to see you in Fit and Fabulous Over 40. All right, so if you want to hang out here some more on YouTube, that's cool. Make sure to check out this video next, and I'll see you there.